Hello, family.
Hi.
Do you like their shirts? Wait.
Pictures in our
Disney life, happy wife, and then he has. I work to support my wife's Disney addiction. I'm scared because I'm going on Rock and Roller Coaster and I've never been on it.
There anyway.
And Tower of Terror I haven't been on in so long. I haven't been on that so long because I never wanted to do it. So yesterday Mora lost her shoe on the Three Caballeros ride. And what's gonna happen, Mora?
I'm gonna get new flippers.
And what did you just say?
I risked my life.
You risked your life?
Bring my life to scissors.
$1939. The Hollywood Tower Hotel was a star, a beacon for the show business elite. Until 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator and into a nightmare. Now that door has opened once again. For you.
We are back here again. Yes, I went on Rock and Roller Coaster and Tower of Terror and I was scared, but I did it and I liked both of them. So, yeah, and now we're going on this again because I actually went on it yesterday, but I didn't get to film it for you guys, so that's what we're gonna do now. 50-minute wait.